start. Addressing the chief executives of the nationalized banks, the governor of Reserve Bank of India said, I am very glad to be with you this morning and discuss with you on some of the problems being experienced by the banking sector in the country, especially during the last 5 years. No doubt it is important duty of any central bank to devise policies taking into consideration not only the needs of the people but also the banking industry as a whole. It is with this objective the Reserve Bank announces its credit policies for every half year. The credit policy measures for the busy season announced in April last have shown good results. There was demand for financial assistance from all sides of the economy, namely agriculture, industry, and other service sectors. It is the wish of the government that the standard of living of its people should be improved. This is possible only when there is economic growth, and to achieve a substantial growth in the economy, the exports have to be improved. Once again, the industrial production should be increased. The government have laid down a target of 8% growth rate for the economy during the current year. The Reserve Bank, taking all these factors into account, have announced the busy season credit policy. The growth rate during the first 6 months of the current year has been this encouraging as seen from the reports, and it is expected that this would rise to 10% during the latter 6 months. This is the overall picture of the economy of the country. Turning to the health of the banking industry in the country, the deposits have risen by about 20% when compared to the last year. But the banks are not able to utilize the large cash resources due to the fact that the lending rate is very high and needs some correction. The perfect industrialist who has plans for improvement of his business does not come forward to avail of the loan facilities from the bank in view of the high cost of capital. In order to promote the industrial activity in the country, the rate of interest on priority loans has been reduced to a great extent during the last year. This has given the Indian industrialist the much needed platform on which he can build his business and can compete and prosper. Letter from the District Collector Kakinada to the Secretary to Government Municipal Administration Department, Hyderabad. Sir, I invite your kind attention to my letter dated 10th ultimo. There are 100 textile traders in this shipping town, and the turnover of all these units exceeds 10 crores per annum. These traders have been running their trade at various parts of the town. Now they formed into a cooperative society and wanted to construct a shopping complex and requested for allotment of vacant site nearer to the railway station and offered to pay rupees 2 lakhs. The local unit of the Chamber of Commerce and Industry has endorsed the view and recommended for favorable action. I am one of the opinion that the request of the community is genuine and needs sympathetic consideration. In view of the above, I request the government to accord permission to sell the vacant land to the traders for the purpose of construction of shopping complex. Yours faithfully.